Good morning, Rax. Today is Monday, April 27th, which makes today National Prime Rib Day. Oh, that sounds good, doesn't it? Three big things coming your way. First off, as Manchester has alluded to, we are under a new assignment reveal schedule. And there it is below, which shows you that today you should be getting your new ELA and art assignments, while those from last week would be due. You can go through that each day, check with your teacher for more information. And for those of you wondering about phys ed, basically we're using a Saturday-Sunday approach because I'm unveiling them on Sunday and I'm grading them on Sunday as well. So not that you can do a whole lot on the Sunday for it, but just to give you an idea for what we're doing. We'll work out this week. Speaking of working out, the Counselors Connect series is back. Ms. Shirin wants me to remind you to fill out the survey down at the bottom of the Counselors Connect that she has been sending out. And if you look on Monday, the Daily Action for Happiness says do an extra 15 minutes of physical activity. So I will see you at 3:30 for our workout today. And seniors, don't forget about the graduation option survey that was sent out by Manchester last week to make sure you get the best you can here in these situations. No birthdays around Rax today. The best I found for a birthday was Lizzo. Lizzo. All right, that's all I've got for today. Get the week started strong. Don't wait to do stuff, and have a great day, Rax.